Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be taking a look at Thai red curry. Now we did Thai green curry the other week and the link will be on the end screen at the end of this video. Now for this recipe we are going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then about 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. 400ml can, or just a standard can of coconut milk, a piece of ginger roughly the size of your thumb. This is mostly for garnish, so you can skip this if you don't like ginger too much, and there is already ginger paste in this recipe. 1 red pepper, 1 to 2 Thai red chilies. Now these are the Russian roulette of the pepper world in my experience. You can either get a really mild one or a really hot one. A few carrots, this is mostly to bulk it up. Once again, you can skip over this. Some lime leaves, preferably fresh, but dry will work just fine. Of course, you'll need rice to serve. Now, once again, serving this with jasmine rice. Spinach, once again, to bulk. You can skip this out completely if you don't like spinach. And then, of course, your meat. I'm using turkey instead of chicken. That is just because I had some leftover turkey. And what I didn't show you in the introduction here is, of course, some brown sugar or fish sauce. Now, you want about 1 tablespoon of each. The quantities are up to you. You can tweak them as the recipe goes on. If you want it a bit sweeter, add an extra bit of sugar. If you want it a bit saltier, add some more fish sauce. Now to start, heat a large frying pan over medium heat with a small amount of oil, and then heat through your pastes. That is your red Thai curry paste, your ginger paste and your garlic paste until nice and fragrant. And then once fragrant, simply pour over your can of coconut milk and mix together until you get a nice consistent colour all the way through. While the milk is warming through, you can cut your carrot, pepper and chili and peel your ginger. Now the best way to peel your ginger is using a spoon, and then simply cut it into matchsticks by cutting it lengthways and then cutting it down again. As I say, once again, this is purely for garnish. If you don't want extra ginger in it, you can skip this step. Once your sauce is heated through, simply add your chicken, carrots, pepper and some of your chili, along with a couple of lime leaves, and cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes or until your chicken is white all the way through. And also the carrots are cooked but not mushy. Now here, optionally, you can pick out the lime leaves and add in your spinach. Now this looks like a lot of spinach, but trust me, this will cook down to next to nothing, as spinach often does. Once your curry has finished cooking, simply top with the rest of the chili and your ginger matchsticks and serve with your cooked jasmine rice. Now since recording this video, I have actually remade this curry, as it is such a nice alternative to a normal chicken curry. It is full of flavour and has an absolutely amazing aroma to it. Now, as always, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a little bit shorter than some videos, and I will be doing a update video hopefully soon. I've been meaning to do it for a couple of weeks, and I've just fully ammied it. But anyway, that should be coming hopefully this week. But as always, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.